step above that would be our Trex Select. Single colored board. The grain pattern gets a little bit more deeper on this one. The difference between this and the rest of our line, 7/8 inch thickness compared to a 1 inch.
Oh.
So that's a good thing to know, because you can't mix and match if you were to do like what you're doing here. A perimeter or breaker board, you can't mix and match with any other lines. So these are the two boards you're going to have to use.
You have to stick with that line.
Yes.
Okay.
It goes up in durability, so it's a little bit above the enhanced basic and naturals. But we only offer it in 2 colors.
Okay, and that's how many years of warranty is this?
This one's a 35-year warranty.
35.
Yep.
Okay.